Component 2 is endurance. So with regards to endurance, we can use the bird dog. As I described, we are building a degree of endurance because we lift up and we hold. So we may hold that for 10 seconds each side, 20 seconds each side, 30 seconds each side, whatever that may be. So we build that will build a degree of endurance along with the stability that I was talking about. But what we also want to do is build endurance through the rest of the torso. So we would want to build endurance in the anterior musculature using a plank. We would also want to build endurance through the lateral musculature using the side plank. What we can also do is access more of the glute mid and glute med, glute min and glute med by simply just lifting a foot up. And again, we can gain stability out of this one as well, because if we lift up and our hips drop, that's showing us that those muscles aren't switching on or heightening their activity at the right time. So we need to have, again, level hips to show that the muscles are doing their job properly. And then we've got the endurance of being able to hold that for a longer period of time whilst resisting fatigue. So the first two stages that we need to build is first stability and endurance. If we can build those two, what that then allows us to do is start to move on to more strength-based type exercises. So what we're not just doing is we're not just building the lower back muscles. What we're trying to do first is we're trying to get the muscles to turn on and off at the right time. Then we're trying to get them to work for a long period of time so they resist fatigue. What we're also trying to do is get more muscles working, because if we can get more muscles working and at the same level as all the other muscles, then all the load is going to be spread out around the torso. So it's not going to be all focused into the lower back, which is eventually going to cause us a problem. So once we can start to do that, then we're starting to rebuild our lower back. So strength isn't the key, it comes later.